Welcome to Shift. The Shift UI is designed to be simple and enable fast interaction with all its components. At the top you will find the menu and toolbar which enable you to access basic features. You can create new workflows, save, or open existing ones, but also create nodes, delete a node or execute your Shift workflows in different ways. The main area is your workflow editing board. In the board you can create nodes by double-clicking on your left mouse button or by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. In the Node Creation UI you can filter nodes by available catalogs or by name. Select the catalog Constants. Double-click on the node type, Float, to create the node on your Shift board. Back into the Shift board you now see your node. The node has input and output plugs at its left and right respectively. The plugs can be used to connect the node to other nodes. Selecting the Float 1 node will populate the Properties Inspector at the right side of the screen. Using the inspector it is possible to set the values of the node plugs. You can move on the Shift workflow board by moving your mouse while holding the Alt key on the keyboard and the left mouse button. You can zoom into the Shift workflow board by moving the mouse to the right or to the bottom while holding the Alt key on the keyboard and the right mouse button. You can zoom out from the Shift workflow board by moving the mouse to the left or to the top while holding the Alt key on the keyboard and the right mouse button. You can also set the view to the selected node pressing the key F on the keyboard or the key A to view all existing nodes in the workflow. In the next video we will learn how to create a basic workflow using Shift. For more Shift training material and other videos, check our YouTube channel, like, and subscribe.